Now, Omaha's verified most accurate forecast.
Happy Friday afternoon. I'm 3 News Now meteorologist Joseph Meyer. All eyes are to the sky this afternoon as we see the potential for some severe weather that could develop through the afternoon. And it's partly due to a very strong cold front that's moving through the area this afternoon. Out ahead of it, temperatures will be in the 60s and even a couple of 70s out there over the Omaha metro into western Iowa, southeast Nebraska. Behind the front, temperatures going to be holding in the 30s and the 40s for cities like Norfolk, Columbus, and Wayne, where that front has already come through. Going to be cloudy up there with some sunshine right out ahead of this cold front. Cold front is also going to be crucial with that severe weather potential this afternoon. Storms will start to develop along very near the front, basically after about 3 o'clock this afternoon. And this front, I think, is going to be very close to the Omaha metro. So right around 3 o'clock, I think we could potentially see some thunderstorms ignite in the Omaha metro. If we do see that, some of these storms could likely be strong to severe with predominantly a hail threat in the metro. Once this cold front moves through your neighborhood, the tornado threat goes down to basically zero. But any storm, though, that can develop behind the front will still have that potential for some large hail, maybe up to around 1 to 2 inches in some spots. But southeast of this front, so this would be down towards southeast Nebraska, southwest Iowa, northwest Missouri. That's where, one, we're going to see the greatest concentration of thunderstorms. You can see that here on Futurecast. And two, the environment is more favorable for some all severe hazards. So maybe some damaging winds and perhaps 1 or 2 tornadoes in this corridor. That's something we're going to be watching heading into your Friday afternoon and Friday evening. You can see these storms, though, they're kind of messy. They're kind of clustered together, but majority of them are, again, south and east of the Omaha metro. But note, still 6 o'clock. Maybe we still see a couple thunderstorms behind this front drop some hail within the metro. So the severe weather risk will run from about 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the metro, a little later off to the south and east as these storms form into a line by Friday evening. Looking off here to the west, note that there's the potential for maybe some sleet, some freezing drizzle to develop over northeast Nebraska. We'll have to keep a close eye on that as well. That could create some slick roadways heading into Friday night, Saturday morning. We'll keep an eye out on that. That's going to stay well to the north and west of Omaha. So we have a severe weather threat southeast of Omaha, winter weather northwest of Omaha. Certainly not a quiet day across Nebraska and Iowa. Here's a look at that severe weather risk. Basically where we've been highlighting Omaha to the south, that highest corridor for some severe weather potential, predominantly a large hail risk. Could also see some gusty winds, perhaps a tornado or two. That is, I think, going to be focused more to the southeast of Omaha. So make sure you have your severe weather plan in place. You can find 4 tips on that on our website at 3newsnow.com. We briefly dip in temperatures on Saturday down into the low 50s, back into the low 70s, though, on Sunday, mid 70s on Monday. Another cold front moves through on Tuesday. That's going to drop our temperatures back down into the 50s for Wednesday.